everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am Carla, also known as Littlefitdevil, and today I have an amazing review for you all. You guys, I'm a huge fan. I'm a fan of Ulike. I'm a fan of hair removal devices, especially IPLs, especially those that you can use at home. So today, quick unboxing, quick review. I'm going to give you the reasons why you must have this, the reasons why this is a great gift, one that will have you looking amazing.
You guys have seen me review the Ulike X for men not too long ago, and a lot of my female friends have commented asking about something for them. Now we are close to summer and women have hair removal needs, but traditional hair removal methods have some drawbacks and pain points. So today I'm going to be reviewing the Air10, which is the best, most effective and cost-saving option for hair removal. No more red bumps or wax redness or ingrown hairs. Now you have something that is amazing for your skin while helping you remove hair efficiently.
So why don't we go ahead and get this party started. Woo. Quick intro on Ulike. You guys, I have been working with Ulike for over a year. Ulike provides mainly hair removal devices for women, like the one I will be reviewing today, the Air10. However, they also have the Ulike X, which is for men. So you can pick what works for you. Okay, the packaging is always amazing. It comes in a very sturdy box, real great for gifting. And then you open it, and the presentation is really wonderful, I'm telling you. So it says, Ulike was the world's #1 home hair removal device brand of 2022. These are your instructions. And then you get the most amazing device. I always know it's a Ulike device because of the color. So for me, that's amazing in terms of like brand identity. Okay, here is your device. This is the Ulike Air10. It's incredibly ergonomic, soft. It feels great to the touch. It's easy to use, perfect for beginners, honestly, and it's great for at-home use. So if you are one of those people that are trying to get into hair removal and you do not want to completely break the bank and go to an office, you can have hair removal at home for a fraction of the price. You start seeing results in just 2 weeks. So I don't know what you're waiting for. You have to try Ulike. What else do we have in the box? We have a baggie, because you know you might not want to keep the box, so you have a bag to store your device. You also get, this is like a starter kit. You get your razor, which you're going to need, because before you do IPL, you have to shave. And of course, safety first, we get this pimpin goggles. I kind of feel like I want to wear them as sunglasses because the design is kind of cool. So you can remove your hair in style. Okay, one more thing. If you actually pull this out of the box, you are going to get your charger and your power cord. There you have it. Okay, let me go ahead, get it all set up, and we'll talk about specs. Okay everybody, we have the Ulike Air10 ready to go. I want to share with you some specs and then we are going to test it out. First of all, quick rundown on how this works. Once you have it all plugged in, then you press the power button. You just press it and you can already hear it working, right? Then we have a screen right here that shows you the mode that you're using on the device. I'm gonna scroll through it so that you can see it. To scroll through the mode, you press the power button just quickly, okay? So you go from fast to normal to high to normal to fast, okay? Pretty simple. If you want to use the SHR mode, which is right next to the power button, you just click on it and now you have it in SHR mode. Let me show you the dual light technology really quick. So let's see if you can see it on my arm. Hold on. Right there. Do you see dual light technology? 10 out of 10. And it also has ice cooling technology. That ice cooling technology is actually fucking cold, everybody. Ooh. So it allows for you not to feel the pain of the hair removal. So honestly, that is like the best feature that has been created in the last decade, really, because it allows you to use this at home without any pain. I mean, perfect timing for you to get this. A few quick things that you need to know, because safety first. First of all, Ulike is FDA approved. Second, in order to use Ulike, you need safety glasses, okay? Third, make sure you read their manual so that you know whether your skin tone is safe for Ulike, okay? Some darker pigmentations are not safe for Ulike. It's also not safe on tattoos. So be mindful, read your instructions before you're using this product. Okay, now let me show you how it works. We turn it on, you get comfy, and this is your button. This is what's gonna make this device work. What was that? Okay, I'm gonna show you on my arm so that you can see, okay? So you push it against your skin, and do you see that? That means it's working. So you slide it, and as it works, you can see the light working. Make sense? I can feel the ice cooling technology as I'm doing that. It works great. If you continue to press the button, now you're kind of like entering a little bit of an auto mode. And that means that as you're pressing this button and you're sliding, it really just works. So it saves you time while you're utilizing the product. 10 out of 10. It is safe for plenty of body parts. I actually like to use it in my bikini area. As you can see, it's super smooth. I never have any breakouts, any crazy ingrown hairs, and it's because I have been using this for a little while. I like to use it under my arms as well, but again, for me, Ulike has been great on this area. So if you are struggling with, a little bit of a darker, area, this would be a good product to test. I also like to use it on my lip and on my brows. That's where I have my hair that I don't like. And you know what? Maybe I would like for you guys to vote on this, because I have been wondering whether I should do this or not. So I have a little bit of hair in my arms. I always thought it was cute. But now that Ulike is a thing, I might consider removing it, and I'm using Ulike so that it doesn't grow. Can you vote in the comments? Can you tell me? I mean, what do you think? Is it necessary to remove my arm hair? Like, from here to here? Let me know what you think. I mean, why not? Let's make a poll out of this, because, it's better to actually get second opinions. If you are looking for an amazing gift for this holidays, for a birthday, for an anniversary, for someone special in your life, if you want to be someone that just has gifted something that's useful, please go ahead, consider Ulike. I have a code in the description of this video, and I really hope you check my friends out. Again, remember, this is not the only device. This is the one that I recommend for you ladies out there. If you're a man, there's Ulike X, but again, go to the Ulike website, check out all their products, and see what works for you. For me, this is the best value for your money. This is the best starter one, and the one that's gonna give you the most results in the least amount of time.
Go ahead and get the Ulike Air 10 by using my code. And also, let me remind you that there is an Amazon Spring promotion with the best discounts available right now. So get it now, use it for 4 weeks, and enjoy smooth, beautiful skin for beach days.
I really hope you enjoyed this review. If you like what I do, consider liking, subscribing, and commenting on this video. Please turn on post notifications. You can follow me on social media. You can support me right here on Patreon, where I provide early access to most of my YouTube videos, including exclusive photo shoots with a lot of the items that you see me trying on here, as well as amazing perks. Also, make sure you check out my other 2 channels. I have a gaming channel. I also have a lifestyle channel, which will have content coming up very, very soon. I know you guys are excited. Just bear with me. I'm working through the kinks, okay? And that does it. I will see you guys soon in another one. I hope you're having an amazing day.